Toyota Avanza was written off. The insurance rated it code for and beyond repair. We had to rebuild this car from scratch. We had to make sure it became roadworthy and fit. It was a journey to resurrect the Avanza. The owner thought breaking it for spares was the last move. But to his own surprise, the car was back to its normal state, even more beautiful. Our results speak for us, and we have the best service. Happy client, and the beast is ready to move. Bring your car at Scratch and Dent Mobile Smart Repairs located at 917 Moorcoles Close Halfway House in Midrand. Email precious@scratchanddent repairs.co.ca.